Now moving on, over the years we've seen a lot of trees facing the banter of urbanization. But there are people who still care about trees, and this is what they did to make the Garden City even more greener.
Time and again we have seen trees are being chopped off for some or the other construction work. With the sudden rise of temperature in Namma city, we can feel the ill effects of cutting trees. Over the years, we have seen various initiatives being taken to save trees, and today we will show you one more initiative to save greens of Garden City. Hemant has always been keen to do something to save trees. He made a group along with a few friends to save the trees in Bengaluru. There are localities in Bengaluru where trees are being cut to make pavements and parking. Legally, after a tree is cut from a place, it is mandatory to plant a sapling in the vicinity. But that is not happening from past couple of years. Today, Hemant along with his friends took the initiative to go and plant trees in the areas where trees were being cut for the construction work. Hemant and his team planted more than 50 trees in Indiranagar and surrounding areas. Here is what Hemant and the other volunteers had to say about the initiative.
See, everywhere we are seeing development is going on, like commercial, apartments, road widening. But after complete their project, they are not worried about the environment. They will just they cut the tree. They, according to the law, they have to plant again trees which they have cut it. They are not have done. But so we are taking step from our end. We are going to restore this environment. How you can see here, there is no tree plantation front of any shopping malls everywhere, footpaths. Before here was so much greenery. So wherever now we will found space, we will do their tree plantation. Other areas also. How you can see at present we are doing Indiranagar. So we request to everyone, if you found some space, please you do planting and as well take care.
All right, so as you can see from the past few years, it's not only Bangalore, but the entire earth is boiling, right? Global warming is a big issue. So we as citizens, if we don't do our bit and we don't set an example, you know, we are all working individuals. We work from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is the only day we give up. We have our weekends. So if one Sunday we can give up and we can do a bit, you know, in small droplets of water create an ocean, I think we can create a difference to the earth this way.
Actually, Bangalore was famous for the Garden City and it's very green. But right now, due to metros and all, they have cut so many trees. So we want to bring back Bangalore to its former glory. So that's the reason. The prime focus was that, to plant more trees so that we can fight the pollution and also to make it greener, more beautiful. That's the main focus.
So those were some Bangaloreans who took an amazing initiative to save the greens of Garden City. Riya Das, News 9, Bengaluru.